Hi, this is Robert Galarowitz, naturopath and nutritionist. And did you know there are 100% natural remedies for reversing your impaired kidney function? I suffered for years with advanced stage kidney disease, and finally, my kidneys totally failed. So I had dialysis and eventually surgery to implant a cadaver kidney. And I experience worry and fear every day that someday my donor kidney will fail. From my own personal experience, I can deeply understand how a person with advanced stage kidney disease suffers on dialysis. And I want to help you avoid dialysis and the horrors of a kidney transplant surgery. I want to help you with over 7 tips to better kidney health in this video. Today, after years of proven kidney healing experience helping myself and my clients, I'm known as an expert on kidney disease. I help people who suffer from this horrible disease improve their kidney health, regain function, and even avoid or postpone dialysis or a kidney transplant forever. Medical tests don't lie. More than 1,000 people have tested this all-natural kidney restoration program, and their own medical results prove it's saving their kidneys and it is drastically improving the quality of their lives. Find out what people with kidney problems are saying about this new all-natural kidney healing program. Kidney damage stage reduced. Stage 4 reduced to stage 3. I followed the diet and took the herbs, and I reversed the severity of my kidney disease from a stage 4 to a 3. I'm thrilled with my results. I'll continue to take the herbs and do the diet to help improve my kidney function even more in the coming weeks. My life is changing for the better. I'm so happy to say my renal doctor says my kidney disease is reversing. Gladys Martinez, Florida, United States. No more dialysis. My kidney doctor says I don't need dialysis. I don't have headaches or daily nausea anymore, and that is a true godsend. When I started the program, I was surprised it was easier than I thought to make the simple changes I needed to do to reverse my kidney damage. My medical doctor was really surprised at my recovery with this program, and the best part is I don't have to go to dialysis. Richard Picard from the US. Kidney numbers improved. I was skeptical, but I had nothing to lose. I couldn't just sit around and do nothing like my doctor suggested. They didn't want me to do anything or to take supplements, but I had to try something. They just wanted me to wait for dialysis. This program allowed me to take control of my health. I went from a stage 4 to stage 3 kidney disease. It was easy to do, and my BUN, creatinine, and anemia are all in better ranges. Mary Hall from Alameda, California. Even medical doctors approve it. My patient is doing better than I could have imagined. I've been impressed by how well researched and complete this program is. This all-natural kidney restoration program takes into the account the factors of kidney disease and gives you many options and information to help your kidneys return to their natural good health. As a medical doctor, I look at the risk and benefits of all treatments before making a recommendation. That said, this program definitely gets my thumbs up. Dr. John Rhee, medical doctor, United States. In this video, I'll show you how to easily and permanently stop the progression of your kidney disease and even avoid dialysis. The shocking truth about kidney disease. If you have kidney disease, then your doctor probably told you there aren't many treatment options available except dialysis and going through the horrors of a kidney transplant. But that's not true. There are real solutions for stopping the progression and even reversing your kidney disease. You can improve or even stop your kidney disease from progressing using 100% all-natural methods without dialysis. 100% all-natural treatment scientifically proven to repair kidney damage. Here are just a few of the kidney healing secret tips you need to know. Kidney treatment secret number 1. The delicious superfood blueberries is loaded with special compounds that reverses free radical kidney cell damage. Kidney treatment secret number 2. Dietary and supplemental fiber is used by Middle Eastern doctors to clear out potent kidney-destroying toxins. Ridding your kidneys of these toxins is very important. Kidney treatment secret number 3. The essential fatty acid fish oil reduces inflammation and corrects heart complications seen in kidney disease. But if you don't use the proper dose, it won't provide your kidney with any benefit. Kidney treatment secret number 4. You must avoid red meat if you suffer from kidney problems. In France, renal doctors advise their patients to avoid this food as it speeds up kidney disease. Kidney treatment secret number 5. The super nutrient CoQ10 gives significant results in helping kidney problems, lowering blood pressure, and study participants reported a boost in energy and focus. Kidney treatment secret number 6. Vitamin D extends the life of your kidneys, slows down the progression of renal diseases, improves muscle, bone strength, and significantly decreases your risk of related diseases and complications. And did you know that if your vitamin D level is in a certain range on your blood test, first, it increases the benefits even more. And if you read the webpage below, I have a few more kidney treatment secret tips you can begin using right now. My no dialysis needed, all natural kidney health and kidney function restoration program is a step-by-step plan to help heal your kidneys naturally and safely. Here are some amazing success stories. 85% improvement in kidney function. Reginald followed the program and lost 18 pounds, lessening his medication and gained back kidney function. 4 years and still no dialysis. Jennifer was getting ready for dialysis when she started my program. Next visit to her doctor, she gained back her kidney function and has been stable ever since. Vinny was able to get kidney function back and has been stable for 6 years. Vinny Delhari has polycystic kidney disease and lost some of his kidneys function. Through following the program and diet, he's improved his kidneys and has been doing well. And that's just a small portion of the many people I helped avoid dialysis here in my consulting practice in New Jersey. But even after helping so many people, I wasn't satisfied because I knew that for every person I was able to see in my office, there were literally thousands more who would continue to suffer without this critical kidney healing knowledge. That's why I've created the Kidney Saver program that medical dialysis promoters hope you'll never discover. My no dialysis needed program is a step-by-step healing program which helps improve your kidneys naturally, easily, and with no side effects. Even better, when you follow the program, you'll be able to delay dialysis by years or even decades, or even avoid dialysis altogether like many people have. Are these natural kidney remedies, diet, and supplements 100% safe? Everything in this program is safe, natural, and with good safety profiles. Proven case studies and doctor recommended. Many of the products, including the diet, supplements, and herbs, have been used safely in other countries for years and in some hospitals in the United States. This program is so powerful, it has been doctor reviewed and approved by a nephrologist. This is a wonderful program. I read this with amazement and believe this can help many people with kidney disease. I recommend it and have seen the results firsthand. This program can help anyone with renal disease. Dr. Radu Kramer, nephrologist. I don't just want you to slow or stop your kidney disease, I want you to improve your kidney function quickly and with minimal fuss. So, for a limited time, I'm also throwing in 5 super bonuses. My kidney health and restoration guide is enhanced with 5 more customized kidney health and wellness guides and lists, plus my personal email contact. Your special bonus number 1, the all-natural kidney health and kidney function restoration program diet plan. You get a 14-day, easy-to-follow menu plan with recipes and snacks, with quick meal plans to prepare with no trips to special grocery stores. All nutritionally balanced to reduce stress on the kidneys, control mineral imbalances, and maximize your healing with how to adjust recipes to make them kidney friendly. Also includes a section, Tips for Eating Out, which covers all major restaurants to help you make kidney-friendly choices. The value, $39.95, yours free. Your special bonus number 2, the definitive guide to potassium content of foods, over 1,000 foods listed. When your kidneys are not healthy, your potassium may increase to dangerous levels, leading to further decline in kidney function and possibly a heart attack. The definitive guide to potassium content of foods will give you the knowledge to select the right foods to make the perfect low potassium food choices to help your kidneys heal. With over 1,000 foods listed for any food you want to know the potassium content of. The value, $19.95, yours free. Your special bonus number 3, the definitive guide to protein content of foods, over 1,000 foods listed. Regulating your protein intake is crucial to improving your kidneys, and this guide tells you how much protein is contained in foods so you can make the right choices for a lifetime of better kidney health. In kidney disease, phosphorus may build up to toxic levels. By regulating your protein consumption, you can control your phosphorus from reaching dangerous levels. This takes the stress off your kidneys to maximize your kidney healing. The value, $19.95, yours free. Your special bonus number 4, the kidney diet grocery shopping list. No need to dig through pages and take notes on what to buy at the store, because it's all packaged into one convenient, easy to follow list, and it is printable, so you can take it with you when you do your grocery shopping. Value, $19.95, yours years free. Your special bonus number 5, the kidney diet tracking sheets. You get 2 diet tracking sheets you can easily print so you can easily keep track of what you eat to help you stay on track. The sheets help you easily stick to a better kidney health diet with minimal fuss. These kidney diet tracking sheets allow you to make a smooth, easy transition to a healthier kidney diet. The value, $19.95, yours free. And when you order today, for a limited time only, one last super bonus: 60 days of unlimited email support provided after your purchase. The No Dialysis Needed All Natural Kidney Health and Kidney Function Restoration Program offers exclusive personal one-on-one counseling. You get free professional private email counseling, advice, and guidance from a certified nutritionist, naturopath, and kidney disease sufferer. This advice is practically priceless. You'll always feel that someone is there for you, so you never left to deal with your kidney disease alone. With this free and unlimited email support, you'll be able to complete the program more effectively and get quicker and greater results to heal your kidneys. The value, $197, yours free. This sounds amazing, Robert, but how much does it cost? The No Dialysis Needed program is extremely affordable. Even for people on a fixed income, I made it so anyone can get the help to improve their kidney disease right in the comfort of their own home. Save the money you'd have to spend on expensive prescriptions and instead improve your kidneys with all natural methods for pennies. What is your quality of life going to be with kidney failure? Is it not worth living a miserable life on a machine where you die prematurely and can't enjoy what you want or do the things you used to do? Honestly, this is the only program like this in existence, so there's nothing to compare it to. And this comprehensive kidney health restoration program is not available anywhere else at any price. To make you 100% comfortable with getting this today, I will personally guarantee your complete satisfaction. My no questions asked, no hassle, 100% satisfaction guarantee. You can feel completely secure in your decision to say yes today because I stand behind this product 100%. If for any reason you decide this product is not for you, you're entitled to a prompt, courteous refund with no hassle and absolutely no runaround. Your purchase comes with a zero-risk, 60-day money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied, it's free. All you have to do is email me and say, Robert, I'd like a refund, and you'll instantly receive a money-back refund, and you get to keep the entire program. How much is your kidney worth to you? All I ask is you try this kidney restoration program for free for 60 days. Let me help you the way I wish someone had helped me all those years ago when my kidneys first started to fail so I could have avoided dialysis and a kidney transplant. You can heal your kidneys, delay dialysis for years, even decades, or even avoid it altogether. The fact that you've watched this video this far means you know the value of this program. It's easy to make the right decision. When you know you can get proven methods to restore and even reverse your kidney disease, isn't it? As you think about investing in this program, you might want to consider the added benefits and enhanced value, the 5 incredible bonuses, a $296 value, yours free. I've custom created this program just for you to help you more quickly restore your kidney health. When you follow this program and what you read, you will get a dramatic boost in your kidney health. You'll also feel more confident since you'll have the critical knowledge you need to make better informed health and diet decisions. You can also use this information to better understand the test and the drugs your medical doctor is using to treat you. You have nothing to lose. Stop worrying about your declining kidney health and do something about it. Imagine how good you'll feel when your next kidney test comes back more near the normal range and how much more in control of your kidney health you will be. Don't just manage your kidney disease, reverse it. Get everything you need to help restore your kidney health and avoid kidney failure and even dialysis. Because you won't need to suffer the problems if you know the true secrets to improve your kidney health. I know you're going to love how good you'll be feeling. I'm sure you'll agree that $67 is a real small investment in yourself for something that can help you. From a life of unending dialysis misery to a life of better health and wellness. I say try it. You can feel good about yourself because you're doing the right thing to start healing your kidneys, and I know you'll feel better once you start reading the first book. Here's to restoring your kidney health. Do the right thing to protect your kidneys and get the all-natural kidney health and kidney function restoration program. All you have to do to get started is click the Add to Cart button below and follow the instructions to instantly download your program. You'll be taken to the ClickBank secure order checkout page, and in 2 minutes you'll have all the information right away so you can start using it right now. I want this for you and hope you want this for yourself. I'm Robert Galarowitz, and get the all-natural kidney health and kidney function restoration program.